Today we're going to be talking about short-term thinking and how it can kill your trading, and we're getting started right now. What's going on, guys? My name is Jeffrey Rodriguez and welcome to another video. If you want to learn how to trade Forex using technical analysis and price action and all kind of other Forex related stuff, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell icon so you don't miss anything. Short-term thinking will get you short-term results. Now, what I mean by that is if you're thinking short-term, meaning you want to make $5,000 to quit your job in 2 weeks, then you're going to get short-term results. So you're not going to see the benefits of trading over the long term, which is where you see the real benefits of actually trading. So what I mean by that is you want to set goals for yourself that are 5 to 10 years out in the future, not 5 to 10 months out in the future. It's good to set goals in the short term, but with trading, it's always better to have longer term goals because this is an industry that doesn't reward short-term thinkers at all. If you're somebody who does currently have this mindset and you are somebody who is just thinking in terms of quick results, quick profits, and that's it, you're not focused on the bigger picture, the long term, the grand scheme of things, then you're really missing out. The whole purpose of getting started trading for pretty much anyone, I believe, is to have that time back, to have that freedom, to have that additional cash flow, all that stuff. And you can never get there if you're constantly worried about short-term results and short-term gains. What I'm saying is don't focus on the progress that you're seeing right now. It may not be much progress if you're just starting out. Trading is one of those things that's a longer-term vision. So you have to understand that grasping all this material, grasping all these concepts, it's going to take you time to get to that level of understanding where you can pretty much trade on your own and not have to rely on anyone else. One of the benefits whenever you do set longer term goals is it reduces your stress levels. So when you set shorter term goals, you put a lot more pressure on yourself to accomplish these goals within that period of time. But if you have a longer term goal, whenever you accomplish that, it seems more strategic and you have more of a set process in place that you're going to follow to get to that end result, allowing you to have less stress and stay focused on that end result. Personally, I think long-term goals and long-term thinking is good for anything in life, not just trading. And the reason because of that is most people are constantly worried about the things that are going to happen next week, next month, things like that. You want to be focused on longer-term visions. Quick little secret. Successful people always have set long-term goals. Their goals are set in advance and they look to achieve them over a set period of time doing smaller tasks. So you set smaller goals to get to your big goal. So that may be your 10-year goal, and then you may have 100 smaller goals within the time frame that it takes you to hit that 10-year goal. And those will be your smaller time frame goals. This method of setting goals and following a system will actually help you achieve the goals that you want to achieve because you're going to be setting minuscule goals to accomplish day by day, week by week, month by month that will ultimately paint the picture and lead to the end result, which is that 10-year goal, the long-term vision. So I know this was a little bit different style of a video. I just kind of wanted to talk to the camera, talk to you guys, let you know a little bit about short-term thinking because this is a topic that comes up all the time whenever I get messages, so I just wanted to go ahead and address it in this video. Short-term thinking is not something that you guys should be focused on. Make sure you're painting the longer-term vision. And with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.
After this track, I might need me some lozenges. I ain't about to go soft. This rapping shit lately been pissing me off. Guess these words are kinda just at the tip of my tongue, but I'm still young and I hope I find the rhymes that'll live through time before that fat lady has sung. Cause when I'm inside this booth, feels like I rule the world. But I'll hop off my horse, hop in your Porsche, give it a